Alright guys, I had a mean ass leg day today. This is my day 2 of my 100-day fitness transformation. My work schedule is 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., but I was off today. But I'm going to be doing my best for 60 days for the Togi's Fitness Thing Challenge. And the best transformation gets 100K, so why not lock in and do my best? But I'll be honest, I already fucked it up. It's my buddy's birthday and I shotgun 9 twisted teas for the challenge they were doing. But I'll show y'all my calories and my macros. But I promise I'm finna lock in for the rest of this challenge. No more drinking, no more bullshitting, no more partying, 100%. But yeah, here's the physique. My quads are pretty cut, somewhat. I think I'm like 162. Probably like 18% body fat, something like that. Had to show this. Had them cans cracked and ready. I'm really gonna lock in for 100 days though. Now, here's my macros at the end.